My name is Dr. Martin Farnsworth. I've been practicing dentistry now for a little over 15 years. A lot of my patients come from all over the world. We've had patients in 27 different countries come to visit us throughout the years. We have patients that come home for all 50 states as they come to the beautiful sun here in Arizona to take beauty, in our golf courses, our warm weather during the winter and those kinds of things. Dentistry continues to change today. And so we stay up on our continuing education. We want to provide the very best for our patients. If science and technology has something better for them, we want our patients to have that.
I'm Dr. Derek Farnsworth. I've been practicing here with my brother in our group of practices for about 5 years now, and it's been a great experience. We've got the ability as doctors and with the rest of our staff to be able to treat any number of cases with any kinds of problems, and we can get them from the point that they're at now to the point that they want to be. My philosophy as a dentist is to educate the patients. I feel like anytime that we're educated on a subject, we're going to take it more personal. If we're educated on our overall health and our dental health, we're going to take that more personal. We're going to take more responsibility for ourselves, and we're going to make sure that we take care of ourselves better.
We have a very comfortable environment in our office. My staff loves to treat patients. They love to take care of somebody, and put them in the center of attention and make sure that they're followed up with even after they've left our office, that they've continued to experience the complete care that they've expected when they walk through our doors. I guess for one reason patients might choose our practice is they know that they can get everything that they need here in our office. We've been able to pride ourselves in the amount of education that we do each year, so that we can be able to provide patients with all different cares. We provide services from implants to cosmetics. Love to make patients smile. Love to see, whenever they're embarrassed or they have something that quite bothers them, whether it's just a simple bleaching of their teeth to something as far as, veneers, that just gives them that beautiful smile that they just can't stop smiling about. One of the things is we have the ability to do, surgeries, more advanced surgeries, wisdom teeth. We can restore someone's whole mouth with implants. We can take care of patients in a complete day if we need to. For our nervous patients, we have the ability to sedate them. Conscious sedation is a great part of dentistry that helps people feel relaxed. It allows them to take a nap, and 5 minutes later, in their own mind, they feel like they've woken up and their dentistry is complete. And so I think then we are the well-being that we give them afterwards. We're always making sure your health is at the top of our needs.
One thing that a lot of our patients have told us that they love is that when they come in, and they've been seeing us for years, how we've changed to help serve them better, how we're able to introduce new technologies into our office to help serve them better, that we're not just a static office that is just doing the same thing year after year after year, but that we're able to keep ourselves up to date with new continuing education, new techniques, new technology. That way we can incorporate the best service for them. I think that one thing that sets us apart from a lot of other practices is the time, the amount of time that we take with our patients. We'll take, at our first patient visit, we spend a lot of time talking to our patient to get to know them personally, to get to know their philosophies about their own health. And we take enough time to be able to figure out what it is that they need so that we can help treat them and serve them better. We're never rushed here. We want to make sure that we schedule enough time for our patients to be able to have the best experience they can have. To me, family is the most important thing. We want my kids, my wife, my parents, my brothers and sisters. Those are all things that are the most important things to me. But also our family of our patients. That's what is important to me. And to be able to see all of our patients, we treat the entire family. We treat mom and dad, we treat brothers and sisters, we treat kids, we treat everybody. And we want to make sure that our patients know that we will take the time to treat the whole family. Wonderful to be able to see the entire family come into the office. Oftentimes we'll have mom and dad in the chair just seeing the dentist, and all the kids seeing the hygienist all at the same time, and it's a whole family. And we love it when it's that way. It makes us feel like when we bring our own families in, that we're getting the same treatment for our own families as we're providing for everybody else's family.
My name is Amy Mazzoli. I moved to the Valley in 2000, and one of the most important things for me was to find a good good medical providers. After many trials, errors, I came across Dr. Farnsworth and have been with him ever since. When I first got here, I went through a series of several dentists. I'm very particular. I have high standards, and the ones that I went to were remiss. Too much time, too many expenses and all the tests, and never doing any work. I think the thing that I feel the most I would tell somebody that I'm recommending Dr. Farnsworth to is that you don't have to wonder why he's suggesting you do something. Like, is it because, oh, he has this new machine and he wants to use it? Oh, is it because he doesn't want to do something else? He'd rather do this because it's easier. He is the kind of dentist who knows exactly what you need, and he's capable of doing what you need. And so you don't have to ever second guess him. And that, to me, is just worth everything, to walk in and have total trust in a dentist.